Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Windows 10 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent apps on your Windows 10 computer from accessing your location. So this is a good way to increase your privacy and stop any applications on your computer from actually knowing your location in the world. Down here in the taskbar, if you ever see this icon right here that kind of looks like a circle with a circle around it, that means that there is an application on your computer that is accessing your location. Now we can turn that off and stop that from happening in the settings on Windows 10. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is simply go down to the Windows Start button down here in the bottom left, right click it, and then go to Settings. Once the settings open, scroll down and select Privacy. And then in Privacy, in the left side here under App Permissions, go to Location. So once we get into the location area of the settings, we have really two ways to prevent applications from accessing our location. We can scroll down to first choose which applications can access our location. We can turn them on and off here and even see which applications have accessed our location in the past right here. But if we want to turn off the ability for any application on our computer to access our location, all we need to do is scroll up to the top and under the first option, you'll see change right here. Select that and just make sure that this is toggled to off. That will prevent any application from accessing your location on your Windows 10 computer. All right, so that's how you turn off or prevent applications from viewing your location on your Windows 10 computer. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.